Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Sean. And she writes, "Hello MissPlanIt." Hi Sean. First of all, I want to start off by saying I love your videos and creations. Thank you so much, Sean. My fiance and I are getting married soon and we are doing a fall theme. Our colors are rust orange, champagne, and pops of greens and purples. I would love to see you do a cascading bouquet with flowers and lots of greenery. Well, Sean, not only are we going to create this for you, but if you checked in your inspiration picture you sent me, the retail value of your inspiration is $305. We are not going to spend anywhere near that creating this look. So guys, let's get ready to create this secret garden bridal bouquet on a budget. All right, let's go. So when we're using artificial flowers to create a bouquet, we're going to have a styrofoam base. It's very important that it's styrofoam and not the smooth foam. The smooth foam is very difficult to get the flowers to stay in place where you would like them. But if you only have smooth foam as an option, all I would suggest is to add a dab of hot glue on the end of each flower stem before you insert it into the foam. And actually that works for styrofoam also, just for some extra security. I'm just going to spoon out the center part, getting myself an area for the handle to fit, and then attach it with hot glue. So the key to getting this lush greenery effect is layering. It's all about different textures, and even if you can have a slight different color variation in your greens, it just adds to the depth and it makes your bouquet look more and more realistic. So keep that in mind. You're going to be shoving kind of stems in between stems and around stems and all of that. Don't be scared. Don't be nervous. You can absolutely do it. If you're more comfortable placing things first and then taking them out, adding a little hot glue to the tip and reinserting them into the styrofoam, by all means do it that way also. Trust yourself. If I can do it, you can do it. Well, Sean, how did we do? It's absolutely stunning. You know what I love about this? It just looks so organic. It looks like you just went out, pulled a bunch of greenery and fall flowers and just put them in a bunch. I just love it. I love how it turned out. It's one of my faves, so thank you, Sean, for even giving me the inspiration to create it. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted, and if you have a question or you just want to give us write a comment to us, just do it in the comment section. I tell you right now, I am the one, MissPlanIt, right here, who answers the questions as well as responds to the comments. I must tell you that we are super busy, so I only get to do it every 2 to 3 months or so, but we have an awesome community that steps in and helps each other. I just love our community. It's absolutely wonderful. In addition to that, you can follow us on our social media if you would like, because we have some awesome social media pages. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the wonderful Pinterest. Check them all out. They are fantastic if you haven't done it already. In addition to that, if you have not signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's formerly known as Ebates, and they actually pay you to shop. So simple. Go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases and receive a check at the end of the month. Our time goes by so fast. We are so grateful that you choose to spend this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we don't take you choosing to spend it with us lightly, so thank you. In addition to that, if you have not already gone over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, what are you waiting for? We have awesome cost-saving tips, as well as written and picture instructions on all of our videos, and that is where you can also submit your project request. Remember, our production schedule is full for 2021, but we are ready to go for 2022, and we have so many wonderful new things coming. We have a new website that we're going to be launching that I'm so excited about because it allows me to spend even more time with you guys. So all of that's coming up. Go ahead and submit your project request. Please do it sooner than later because our production schedules fill up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. All right, guys. Well, that brings us to an end. Don't forget that when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.